guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka. So today's video is going to be makeup and I'm reviewing some Dr. Earth products. I've heard some amazing things about Dr. Earth products and I have been meaning to try them for a really long time. So they have a range of beauty products and skincare products. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing their beauty products. So all the links will be in the description box. Now let's get started with the review. So this is the beautiful packaging that it had come in. Just look at the packaging, you guys. It is so beautiful. And each of these products again comes in such a beautiful packaging, you guys. These are the products that I'm going to review today. So their concealer is a recent launch and I'm pretty excited to try these, and I've been meaning to try their lip and cheek tint and also Glow Goddess Illuminator. I've been meaning to try this for a really long time. And also the lipstick I think is a recent launch. So let's begin and I'll review all of these products, and I'll also be doing this look. So basically it's going to be an everyday sort of a look or something that you can wear for when you're going out for a brunch, or basically when you're traveling. Also that simple look with just a couple of products. And this is going to be a no foundation look, obviously, because I'm going to be using only Dr. Earth products, most of them. So let's begin, and I hope you enjoy this video, and let me know in the comments below if you like me to try out the skincare range or if you like me to review any other products as well. Do let me know in the comments below. And now let's begin. So I'm starting off with the concealer. I'm just putting my hair back, and this concealer is actually pretty good coverage. So I'm taking it with my finger and putting it below my eyes, my under eyes, and also wherever I have dark spots. So generally I would use a peach or orange corrector for dark spots, the pimple marks. But since we are trying out this concealer, I'm just going to use this concealer. So I'm applying it wherever I have these pimple marks, and then I'm just blending it with my finger itself. It's easy to blend, it's quite creamy, and it actually has pretty good coverage as well, unless you have like really dark spots like the pimple mark, the huge ones that I have, then it would require a couple of layers if you're not going to use orange concealer. But for under eyes, you can see that it works really well and blends beautifully, gives a very natural look, which is the best part. So that makes it perfect for like everyday use. So I'm going to quickly just fill in my eyebrows before we move on to the other Dr. Earth products. Next up we have the lip and cheek tint. So this one is a peachy pink color, gives a very nice flush, actually super pigmented. The first time I tried it, I had to again tone it down using a sponge. So you have to like check and apply little by little. You can build it up if you are looking for a much rosier cheeks. I'm just adding a little bit with my hands, and you can just blend it with your fingers itself, but I'm using a brush. You could also use a sponge. I think it works well even with a sponge, and it gives a really nice flush, a very natural rosy cheek kind of a look. Again, perfect for everyday use because it's a cream blush. It blends in really well and basically stays put also. Quite a pretty color. I think they have more shades also. This is the Glow Goddess Illuminator. This one I think is not so pigmented. I think it's very light, sort of something that doesn't show up unless you apply a couple of layers. But probably okay for a daily look. And then we have this lipstick, a very beautiful brownish nude. And I also added a little bit concealer on one of my pimple marks, because while applying the cheek tint I sort of rubbed away the concealer. So I'm just touching it up, and then I'm taking my compact and setting my face wherever I've used the concealer, and pretty much basically all my face and even my neck, because this is a no foundation look. So I'm just using compact, and then to finish up the look I'm using a mascara. So with that, we complete the look, and we've tried all the products except the Glow Goddess. I think all of them work really well. With Glow Goddess, you have to work a little bit. It's not that it doesn't show up at all. You can see that I've added it above my lip to highlight over there, and it does show up, but basically you need a couple of layers, sort of a very natural looking one, not your in the face kind of a highlighter. So those were my thoughts on Daughter Earth products. I hope you guys found this review useful, and I hope you guys like this look. It's a very simple like 4-5 step look, so you can use it for everyday college or office use, or basically when you're getting out you can just add a little brighter lipstick, or just use the cheek tint as a lip color and some accessories. You can even wear it when you're heading out for a party as well. So if you like subtle makeup, then this is great. So it's been about 4 to 5 hours, or like more than 5 hours, and I'm about to take off my makeup, so I wanted to give you guys an update. You can see that some of these spots where I've put on the concealer, it has faded a little bit, but it is still fine near my eyes. Under eyes it's still fine, and overall it is still fine. I haven't used any foundation. Because I haven't used any setting spray, I think this is still pretty good. Easily I can just put some compact and you know, still make this makeup work for a couple of hours. So I think it's pretty good. The concealer is not completely gone. I think lipstick has faded a little bit from the center. I had my dinner, so it did fade a little bit from the center, and the cheek tint is still, you know, pretty okay. So overall I would say 5-6 hours is actually pretty good, so you can wear it for like college or office and touch up with your compact or powder foundation and you're good to go. So that was today's review, you guys. All the links will be in the description box. Do check them out and let me know in the comments below what other products you would like me to review, and I'll be back with those reviews as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also find me on Instagram for quick reviews and quick mini hauls and styling videos as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.